This 2024 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 17JW Front Queen, U-Dinette Slide, DBL Bed Bunks is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 23 feet 11 inches in length and features a Denali decor interior, sleeps 8, air conditioning, slide-out, and 26 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Cherokee Wolf Pup 17JW Front Queen, U-Dinette Slide, DBL Bed Bunks is 4,311 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.